Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to simply update or change your phone number on Instagram. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then click on this three slider. Then click on account centers. Then go to password and security. Then go to security checkup. Then select your Instagram handle. Then click on mobile phone number. That's going to take you right here. So if you would like to change your mobile number, what you need to do is to click on here and type in your new mobile number. But if you want to simply update your phone number, what you need to do is to simply click on next. Then the code is going to send to the WhatsApp number of the particular phone number. Next thing you need to do is to head over to the number and get the code. So I have my code right here, 367967. I'm going to simply type in right here, 367967. Then I'm going to simply click on next right here. Your phone number has been updated. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on done right here. It's as simple as that. You can see it right here. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.